PFAS are a group of chemicals. The PFAS stands for per and polyfluorinated alkyl substances. PFAS are going to be man-made chemicals that are composed of certain building blocks called atoms that can combine in different ways and generate material substances that have useful properties. PFAS are going to be primarily composed of carbons and fluorines. These two atoms are going to be very prevalent in PFAS, and scientists have found different ways to attach carbon and fluorine, and these synthetic designs, makes them very stable to heat, very stable to chemical degradation. As a result, they are used for many useful applications. They are used in non-stick cookware extensively. They are used in certain dental floss. They are used in fire extinguishers. They have very many applications. My research is really geared towards understanding how PFAS interact with human cells. So from that perspective, that bioaccumulation has a lot to do in general with how they might be impacting our health negatively. So there are some associations that link PFAS exposure to certain diseases, but it doesn't mean that PFAS cause these diseases, but rather that there are strong associations. But they are bioaccumulative. So, for example, PFAS are known to cause disruptions in our endocrine system, so they can affect hormone-dependent systems in our body. They are linked to fertility issues in some populations. There has been some cases where PFAS exposure are linked to certain types of cancers. There are associations of this sort. And other metabolic disorders like obesity, for example. PFAS are also called forever chemicals because they're very stable. They persist in the environment, they don't get degraded. And in fact, the way they are useful is because of this stability, because of the fact that they don't degrade. The fact that they are very stable doesn't mean that we can't degrade them. We can degrade them, but we want to do that in a way that whatever we do in the process does not cause more harm to the environment. So this is work in progress. It's not all doom and gloom. We are working towards it, and I think lots of resources are being provided by federal agencies to this question. So I feel like we're on a really nice upward trajectory to learn more about them, to be able to design less harmful species, and being able to degrade them in a way that is meaningful to our environment.